rain was falling on the avenue. Silver lights where every dream came true. A little cafe glowing through the night. You smiled once and the whole world felt right. A letter rested gently in my hand. Words I hope that someday you'd understand. Every heartbeat whispered your sweet name, though nothing after this would be the same. Sous les lumières de Paris, mon cœur t'appelle dans la nuit. Chaque goutte chante ton prénom comme une douce chanson. Love letters falling with the rain across the rooftops once again. Mon amour, reste avec moi. Still holds your smile, waiting here all the while. Je t'aimerai pour toujours. Love letters written from my heart, even when we're far apart. Paris garde notre histoire. The river Carry echoes through the air. Old street musicians playing without care. I watched your shadow dancing in the light, a memory shining through the Paris night. The letters' ink began to softly fade, but not the promises we once had made. Each passing season brings me back to you, to skies of gray and hopes forever anew. Si le vent porte mes mots, ils trouveront ton cœur bientôt. Au-delà du temps et des saisons, tu resteras ma chanson.